Start with a magic circle and chain 4. Here the starting chain 3 to be counted as 1 double crochet, and the remaining stitch it will be counted as 1 chain 1 space. Make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1. Repeat this until you have total 12 double crochets and 12 chain 1 spaces. Once you reach the end, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Next round, start with chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch, and for this whole pattern, the starting chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. This round we'll be working only into the chain 1 spaces. Make 2 double crochets into each of these chain 1 spaces. This is the first chain 1 space. Make 2 double crochets over here. This is the double crochet, and this is the next chain 1 space. Make 2 double crochets over here. Next chain 1 space. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. At the end of this round, you should have 24 stitches. Next round, start with chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. 1 double crochet into the same stitch. This one. 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. And here, when you have 2 loops on the hook, change the yarn color. With this method, you will have a neat finish. And now we'll make a front post treble crochet from 1 round below. This is the current round we are working, and this is the stitch we'll be working into the previous round, the first round. Yarn over twice, current round, and 1 row below. Insert your hook into the front post and pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and when you have the last 2 loops pending, change the yarn color. And lastly, pull through the last 2 loops. This is how it will look. This will make an increase. You have 2 stitches in the same stitch, one in the current round and one in the previous round. Now continue with the stitches. 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and the next stitch will make an increase with the front post treble crochet in the previous round. 1 double crochet, yarn over and pull through 2. Lastly, when you have 2 loops on the hook, change the yarn color. And now we'll make the front post treble crochet. This is the current stitch, and this is the next stitch you'll be working into from the first round. Yarn over twice. This is the stitch. Make a front post treble crochet. 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. When you have 2 loops on the hook, change the yarn color. This is how the stitches will look. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 increase in the next stitch with the front post treble crochet, 1 double crochet, yarn over and pull through 2. Change the yarn color when you have the last 2 loops. 1 front post double crochet into the previous round, 1 and 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, change the yarn color when you have 2 loops on the hook, continue with the stitches, 1 double crochet, 1 increase, with the front post double crochet, 2 loops, change the yarn color, with the treble crochet, last 2 loops, change the yarn color, once you reach then do not change the yarn color, we'll be continuing with the same yarn. And to finish off, make a slip stitch into this first double crochet. This is how it will look. And you can weave off this yarn. At the end of this round, you should have 36 stitches. Next round, start with chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 1 and 2 double crochets into the next stitch. This will make the first corner. 1 half double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. This is the next stitch. 1 and 2. 1 single crochet each into the next 3 stitches. One half double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. This is one side of the repeat done. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Now we'll make the next corner. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets into the next stitch. This one. That's the second corner done. Now repeat this set of stitches. 1 half double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. One single crochet each into the next 3 stitches. One half double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. That's the second repeat done. Continue with the third corner. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets into the next stitch. That's the third corner. 1 half double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. 1 single crochet each into the next 3 stitches, 1 half double crochet each into the next 2 stitches, that's the third repeat done. Now make the last repeat. And once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. At the end of this round, you should have 44 stitches and 4 chain 1 spaces. Next round, start with chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach this corner. This is the first stitch. You've reached the corner. Now we'll make the new corner. 2 double crochets into this chain 1 space. Chain 2 and 2 more double crochets into the same space. That's the corner made. Now continue with 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach the next corner, the next chain 1 space. This is the next stitch. Be careful not to miss out this stitch. Make 1 double crochet into each stitch. You've reached the corner. Make the new corner. 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and 2 more double crochets into the same space. That's the next corner made. Continue with the stitches. Pull the stitches a bit to see the next stitch. Make the new corner. Make the last corner. That's the last corner done. Now finish up the last side. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet and weave off your yarn. This measures around 5 inches. If you wish to make it larger, you can keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.